yeah, being here in California, we do have a very active lifestyle, and with that activity comes a lot of sporting activities, and sometimes with those activities can come a lot of injuries, such as ankle sprains. There are things that we can do here in our office to treat that. Sometimes involve taking x-rays or to make sure and rule out any other pathology such as fractures or avulsions or things like that, bone spurs that can happen. Sometimes it involves bracing or some physical therapy, sometimes wrapping of the ankle for extra support or orthotics for support, sometimes taking some anti-inflammatory medications. Sometimes it involves immobilization in a cam walker where we can get you to be pain-free. With these activities and injuries doesn't mean you have to live with that pain. There are a variety of different options here in our office for treatment to help you to become pain-free.